What's up, internet? It's Devin down here at Sherwood Dodge. Behind me I got a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited with the next gen EcoDiesel engine in it. These motors are absolutely bulletproof. This truck's completely loaded. Like I said, it's a Limited. You have your front sensors, rear sensors. You got your chrome accents with your chrome tow hooks. But it does still have the sport appearance package. Inside, you'll start with your keyless entry. As you can see, your power running boards. You do have the option with the power running boards to turn them on and to turn them off. So in the winter time, or if you're going through any mud, there's no buildup and it doesn't get stuck. On the inside, full load, leather, heated seats, cooled seats, power seat, 12-inch screen, backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth. This truck is equipped with your tow package as well. So it does have your tow mirrors. You got your lane sensor as well as your blind spot monitoring. The rear of these seats is massive. For the new body styles, they did make the rear seats 4 inches bigger. You have your heated and cooled rear seats as well. So a truck like this, MSRP on it is $90,395. You do get employee pricing and a little bit extra for the next gen EcoDiesel. The long box as well. So you get a 6-4 box, 7 and 4-pin wiring. Like I said, it is fully equipped with the towing package. So you get your bed rails inside, along with your LED bed lighting, and of course your hitch and receiver. If you guys have any questions or you want to schedule a test drive on this beauty, give me a call or comment below. Again, it's Devin at Sherwood Dodge.